I doubt it. How to play. The object of this card game is to be the first person to get rid of all the cards in your hand. Setup. Shuffle a standard 52-card deck of playing cards, then everyone picks a card at random, and the player with the lowest card is the first dealer. Kings are high and aces are low. The dealer deals out all the cards to the players, one at a time. The player left of the dealer goes first, then play proceeds clockwise. On your turn, you must play 1 to 4 cards face down to the center of the table based on the rank being played, speaking aloud the number of cards and rank. The game starts with aces, then, with each player's turn, it increases in rank by 1. You are not required to actually place down the cards of the correct rank. You may bluff and put down anything. For example, the first player places 1 card face down and says 1 ace. The next player places 1 card face down and says 1 2. The next player places 2 cards face down and says 2 threes, and so on. During play, before the next player lays down their cards, anyone who thinks the current player is lying can say, I doubt it. The top cards the player just played are revealed. If the player was lying, they must take all the cards in the middle and add them to their hand. If the player was telling the truth, then the player who said I doubt it must take all the cards in the middle. To continue the example, the next player places 3 cards face down and says 3 fours. Another player immediately says I doubt it. The 3 cards are flipped face up, revealing a jack, 7, and 2. The entire stack of cards is picked up and added to the hand of the player who had played the 3 cards. Play then continues in the normal rotation with the next player after the one who was challenged. If you reach king without a player being challenged, then continue on with ace. The first player to get rid of all the cards in their hand wins the game. Thanks for watching. If you like this, please hit the like button and consider subscribing. Check out playingcarddecks.com for an awesome variety of playing cards, and be sure to use my promo code TSG for 10% off your entire order.